Hey, it's Joe at Fabspeed Motorsports USA. We have another service for sports car enthusiasts worldwide. Over the last 5 or 6 years, we've started recoring or refurbishing Ferrari catalytic converters, Lamborghini catalytic converters, Porsche catalytic converters. If you have a car of which, for instance, we've had numerous Ferrari F40 customers, you can't get the catalytic converters, they're obsolete. Customer calls up, we will use a large HJS German Ematec catalytic converter, it's 200 cell, and we can refurbish the OEM cats to concourse-like conditions and take a catalytic converter from, for instance, a Ferrari F40 in 1990, 91, 92, it's OBD1, and put an OBD2 2020 Euro 6 homologated cat in there, weld it up, put the heat jackets over it, and it looks like nobody was ever in there. It's a wonderful alternative to protect the environment and emissions. You'll pick up sports car sound, power, reliability, no check engine lights, even though that car was OBD1, and it's a win-win for everybody. So for any of your sports car needs, whether you are a do-it-yourselfer and or you would like Fabspeed, we can recore, refurbish virtually any catalytic converter. Just call one of our performance experts and visit fabspeed.com.